Before we are going right into it, let me first of all introduce myself to you. You are probably curious who is going to teach you in this course. My name is David and I'm coming from Berlin in Germany. I was always very interested in the internet and new technologies. Therefore, I decided to go all into e-commerce after high school and built in the last years a $4 million business on eBay and Amazon with more than 400,000 US dollars in sales every month. I started with cryptocurrencies back in 2014 and bought my first Bitcoin when it was, I think, at 550 US dollars. Since then, I'm a huge believer in the blockchain technology. I sticked with my investments and of course it paid out big time. Since then, I was always curious about learning more about cryptocurrencies. I wanted to find out which coins are the best out there and how I can systematically identify the best cryptocurrencies out there so that I can invest in them and get maximum returns on my investment. In the beginning of 2017, I made an investment in Namcoin, so the new economy movement token, which paid out big time for me. I also invested in several other coins like Funfair, Verge, ARK and Shield. And very important, in this course there are no referral links that lead you to websites of which I make money. I only charge you for the course and really try to provide you the greatest value and help you to make the best investment decisions.